Look what I received today. It's a seat cover for Yamaha, and we will put it on the seat. And this is how it turned out. Looks great. I've bought a new speedometer and tachometer and have to look if I can connect it with the shift. Yeah, and the other shift is away. Now we lost the project somehow, our project to refurbish the Yamaha XT 250, and some weeks or even months went to the country, and now we will continue to refurbish it, and we will mount this cable tree, and this is a lot of work, and I always pondered about should I do it or not, but now we will start with it. And then we ordered a new petrol tank from India, and I hope the tank will come soon, and then we will put all together and try to start the Yamaha, and I hope it will start, because I'm afraid the carburetor won't do that, you know. And then I would have to repair the carburetor, and that is quite a work which I don't want to do, because it will take some time again. But now we will see. Perhaps we have good luck. Now that's it. The project Yamaha XT 250 is almost finished, and oh, happy day. We worked almost half a year, or perhaps even more, 7 months on this project, and it looks quite fine now. I will show you, and we will of course try to kickstart it. So what we still have to do is to mount these front brakes because the feathers, the old ones, the spiral feathers, doesn't return quickly, and the brake somehow stuck, and so we will exchange the brakes and of course the spiral feathers in there, and then we will try to get new papers for this bike and then bring it on the road again.